Good afternoon, Chair, Commissioners. I'm Karl Wood, Senior Project Manager, here with Kathy Wanner, Contract Specialist. And today we are discussing Resolution 1649 for the ParkBOI Garages, Door Hardware, and ADA Upgrades Project. Project background: in 2019, Hutchison Smith Architects conducted a building code analysis of the ParkBOI garages to assess compliance with life safety, accessibility requirements, electrical, and elevators. CCDC has used this assessment as a guide to undertake upgrade projects such as lighting and electrical upgrades, which we've done, and elevator upgrades, which are in process currently. Through that assessment, it was determined that upgrades to 4 ParkBOI garages are necessary for accessibility. Those include 9th and Main, Capitol and Main, 9th and Front, and Capitol and Myrtle. Once complete, these upgrades will minimize owner liability and enhance safety, as well as improving accessibility to the current garages. Agency on-call architectural firm Slister Ugrin did the drawings, specs, helped with bidding, and will be present on the project through completion. Upon board approval, construction is anticipated to start in June, which is contingent on material and supply availability. The work is contracted to be substantially complete in 90 days from construction start. Disruptions to ParkBOI customers will be minimal. The project manual clearly outlines the work restriction requirements and communications guidelines that the contractor must follow during the construction of the project. Kathy will walk you through the contractual portion of this project.
All right, well, good afternoon. I'm here to talk a little bit about the procurement process for the project. State code requires that public agencies formally bid projects estimated to cost over $200,000. So to follow that, we advertised the bid in the Idaho Statesman on March 3rd and March 10th. We also sent the bid to the Idaho AGC and Idaho Blueprints to spread the net wide so that we get more contractors interested. We held a non-mandatory pre-bid meeting on March 17th. 2 contractors attended, and we walked to each garage to view the upgrades. It was determined at that time that an addendum would be required, and it would be sent out no later than March 25th. On March 25th, the governor also issued the stay-at-home order. So the addendum included language that the bids only be accepted electronically via email. On April 1st, the agency held its very first virtual bid opening via Zoom. 2 bids had been received in the email box by the 3 o'clock deadline. The bids were opened, and Hellman Construction was the low bidder, meeting all the required submission criteria and holding the appropriate valid public works license. So you can see on your screen, Hellman Construction, $334,031 is the bid amount. We're here today to ask for your approval of the bid award to Hellman Construction. A little bit more on the next steps. It's anticipated the contract and notice to proceed will be about June, with a substantial completion 90 days. And after that, final inspections and punch list 2 to 3 weeks. So the soonest completion would be in September of 2020. So that concludes the presentation, and we're asking the board to adopt resolution 1649, recognizing Hellman Construction as the lowest responsive bidder for the bid amount of $334,031, authorizing the executive director to execute the contract and expend funds, and to waive the requirement of hard bid submittal because the electronic version contains all the necessary information. So thank you very much for considering this resolution.
Thank you.